They confirm it's on the east side of the building. I might be able to contain it because I'm north of it right now. At the at-home parking lot, if we can get someone to come from the south end of the McDonald's. Is there one by the door? I believe so, yes.
141, I'll enter from the south. I was unable to see if it was occupied, but I'm at the entrance to the south.
10-4, I'll come in from the north.
10-4. Let me know when you're approaching.
I'm approaching, pulling in now.
Get on the f***ing ground! Don't f***ing move! Foot pursuit northbound! John! He just dropped the gun! He just dropped the gun, he's running! You're gonna get f***ing shot too! Get on the ground! Westbound from the Lazy Boy! Round Lazy Boy, coming back out to Mayfair eastbound. Trust.
Though the pursuing officer trips during the chase, he manages to share enough crucial details for a backup officer to take charge, just in time to stop Jelen from disappearing out of sight.
He just dropped the gun! He just dropped the gun, he's running! Southbound head towards...
Right here! Black sweatshirt, green pants. Get on the f***ing ground! Get on the ground! Alright, I'm gonna roll over! I'm on the ground, roll over! Head back! That f***ing resist. Don't move!
Left direction.
Taking him into custody.
The suspect who fled the scene is 21-year-old Jelen. What the officers don't know yet is that Jelen is a convicted felon with a history dating back to 2022 and 2023. In 2022, he was involved in a pursuit with a stolen vehicle, and in 2023, he was found in possession of a firearm as an adjudicated delinquent.
I gotta get back to the bag over there.
Go.
Got the gun.
105 in custody, 3100 block Mayfair.
With Jelen finally in custody, officers began collecting evidence, but Jelen isn't done yet.
You got another gun on you? You got another gun? Yeah, no.
Shut up. Negative is just one for now.
Just one?
Yeah, just him.
Nice shot. Oh, clear?
Not yet. You just watch that.
Oh, he's on paper. Look at him.
Yeah, he dropped it right outside. He almost got
Make sure that gun's secured.
shot.
I don't know. Find out where it is.
Yeah, he dropped it right outside.
Roll over.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, hold on. Here I come. I'm getting up right now, sir. Hold on, sir. Let me pick my pants.
No.
All right, that's cool.
Keep your hands out.
I am. My bad.
Stop grabbing for shit.
I apologize. I'm finna get it right now. Give me a second.
Bend your knee. Bend your knee.
I'm sorry. Hold on.
Give up.
I'm sorry.
Stand up.
No, please carry me. Please.
No.
No, dude.
You're an adult. Let's go. You decided to run from the police.
All right, I'm finna
Seriously?
get up. No, I'm finna get up, bro. Don't. I don't see, bro.
Step right feet.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Here I come.
Go walk to that car.
Which one?
Right there.
Yeah. Execution could have been better, but
Still a work in progress.
implemento it.
Anyone else? Slow it down.
Yeah, it was unoccupied when we pinned it, but then he came out and opened the door. And he's like,
Bro, can you call somebody for me?
No.
No, I don't know them, bro.
Dude almost got fucking shot. Oh.
Good?
Yeah. Good? Yeah, sorry, I wanted to stay back for that.
No, I mean, yeah, I saw a fucking come out. I was like, what the f? Hey, can you grab my phone first?
Check those cuffs and double lock them for me.
What a weird set of circumstances. Why would you be doing legit business in a stolen car? It's not a polymer, no, it's a real Glock.
Yeah.
Nice.
But yeah, I started running, I saw that, and I'm like, I should probably do this.
Probably stick around.
Oh yeah, like he came out, went in, tried to reverse, realized it wasn't going to happen, and then he got back out, and then...
Man, I need to do more cardio like you.
Hey, way to put that to work.
Dude, I can't believe it worked.
I know, man.
Tyler's gonna be so mad.
I know.
Good shit.
After bringing Jelen to the station, one of the officers settles in to question him about the incident, only to be surprised when Jelen decides to flip the script.
So, you got out of McDonald's. You obviously saw us, right? Jumped in the car, tried to flee in the car, correct?
Yes, sir. I stepped in the vehicle, yes, sir.
Okay. To flee.
No, sir, not to flee, no, sir.
What would you get in the vehicle for?
I didn't.
And put it in reverse.
Sir, I just got in the vehicle. I thought you guys were going somewhere totally else, sir.
Well, I don't believe you because then you immediately got out and ran.
Yes, sir.
So,
I ran because I'm a bracelet, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you had a gun on you?
Allegedly.
Well, no, not a lot. Like, I physically saw the gun fall from your person. Don't fucking move!
Yes, sir.
Like, you literally took it out and dropped it on the ground along with the...
Yes, sir, allegedly.
Okay, so are you saying that you had a gun on you? Or did it just
No,
fall
sir,
from
I'm
there?
not saying I had a gun on me at all, sir.
So, did you have a gun on you? No. Okay. So why would you run if you didn't have a gun and you didn't flee? Why would you run?
Sir, you probably heard this multiple times, but I'm terrified of police officers. I had a cousin killed by you guys. No, he did not have a weapon. It wasn't Wauwatosa police officers.
Well, that's good.
It wasn't exactly you
Well,
guys.
not good. I'm sorry to hear that.
I understand what you're saying. That's why I didn't take it as disrespect.
Whose car is that?
It's not my car, sir.
Whose is it?
I don't know, sir.
So you just don't know whose car you drive?
So that's the time where you guys saw me coming out. I didn't physically drive the car, but I did get in the driver's seat of the car.
Okay.
As Jelen tries to wiggle out of trouble, completely denying any involvement, he shifts gears and starts questioning the officer, almost as if he's the one conducting the interrogation.
I understand what you're saying.
So whose car was that you drove? Or that you got into?
I have no knowledge to it, sir.
So you don't know whose car that is?
No, sir, I have no knowledge to it, sir.
So you're just getting in a stranger's car?
No,
When you
sir.
saw us?
No, sir. No.
Because you got in, you just admitted to getting in the car.
I'm agreeing with you, sir. I'm agreeing with you.
Sure. So you got in, so either you got into a complete stranger's car, randomly,
Yes, sir. I'm not saying
or you
yes,
drove
sir,
there,
I'm not.
in the Honda.
Next question, please. I have a question. What exactly are my charges at the moment?
Probably gonna get another bail jumping.
Where would the bill jumping come from? 'Cause I'm not out on bill.
Oh, well, do you have a PO?
Yes.
Okay, so it'd probably be a probation violation.
Okay, I understand.
And then you don't want to answer any statements about the gun.
No, sir.
Did you know that that car was stolen?
No, sir. I think we talked about it already.
Your flip-flops? Dude, I don't know where they are. Because I know one went flying in the drive-thru. I don't know where the other one went.
How did you guys get dispatched? What was going on? I remember you did tell me that the car was stolen. So what did you guys I know you guys have cameras on the lights. Did y'all just happen to see a light and say, okay, that's that stolen vehicle out of
We have plate readers on our car.
I don't know if dispatch is the right word.
Mm-hmm. That's the right word.
How did you guys get to the point where it's let's get this car, let's just chase this stolen car and box this stolen car and
We got an alert.
alert. Where would the alert I'm curious. I'm just trying to see how what the fuck even happened.
When nothing else works, Jelen makes one final attempt by claiming that excessive force was used during the arrest. But by that point, the officer isn't buying it. Later, the Milwaukee Police Department confirms that the car Jelen was driving was in fact the stolen vehicle in question. Officers also retrieved the firearm from the scene that Jelen allegedly possessed. In the end, Jelen was transported to Milwaukee County Jail on the following charges: felony possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, and misdemeanor resisting obstructing an officer. Subsequently, his cash bond was set at $5,000, and his plea sentencing hearing is scheduled for August 11th, 2025.